Sangam Ghat in Prayagraj Mahakumbh. The fire was reported in the Nageshwar Pandal of Sector 22 in the Jhosi area of the Mahakumbh district near the Chatnag Ghat. And according to the initial reports, no casualties have been reported and the devotees have been safely evacuated. The fire brigades immediately rushed to the spot is what we are learning. The UP Fire Department official Pramod Sharma has revealed that the fire has been doused and the situation is under control. Let's listen in.
के आसपास एक सूचना प्राप्त हुई कि टेंट्स में आग लगी है। मौके पर आकर के देखा गया तो जो 15 टेंट थी इनके अंदर आग लगी थी, जिसपे फायर सर्विस ने त्वरित कार्रवाई करते हुए आग को बुझाया और नियंत्रित किया। एक्सेस रोड यहाँ पे नहीं थे, जिस कारण आने में थोड़ा सा तकलीफ हुई, परंतु अभी स्थिति अंडर कंट्रोल है और कोई भी जनहानि नहीं है, कोई भी सिंगल बर्न नहीं है और जो हिदायत हैं वो उनको दी जा रही हैं। एसडीएम महोदय द्वारा भी बताया गया है कि जो अनऑथराइज्ड टेंट्स हैं वो लगाया गया था और ये जो क्षेत्र है चमनगंज चौकी के अंतर्गत।
All right, Abhishek, my colleague, is joining us at this point in time to talk more about this. Abhishek, if you can hear me.
Yes.
Abhishek,
yes.
What is the situation as of now in terms of the fire, which has only been worsened by the stampede that happened yesterday?
Yes, after this stampede incident, today a fire incident took place in the Jhosi area. And the forces, the firefighting people had quickly had responded and had taken off the fire. Nobody is injured in this incident. Some of the huts are being burned in the fire incident, and the reason behind the fire is being investigated now. The investigation has started now behind what was the reason behind the fire, and the firefighting people, the firefighting units in the Jhosi area has responded in 2 or less than minutes when they heard about the incident and that in some of the camps the fire took place. They quickly responded through the motorcycles. The motorbike fire equipment units have quickly responded there, and then the big vans of the firefighting equipments had responded and they had taken off the fire. Nobody is injured in the whole incident, and now the investigation is going on what was the reason behind the fire.
All right, a day after 30 people